Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Should be able to hear me now. Yo, yo, yo. Just gonna send it into the Discord. Let me know if you guys can probably hear me. Yo, yo. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Right, I'm just gonna change to the charts. Let me know when you can see the charts. Should be now, I think. Let me just see if I can see the charts. Yeah. Do you see the charts? All right. Silver bullet to funded. Still hasn't taken a trade. Last week was pretty sloppy. So yeah, gonna do 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. silver bullet today. Because the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I won't be able to do, unfortunately. So let's just see. Price at the minute, this daily opening gap for Tuesday to Wednesday. You can see it's playing around here, left it, came back, took sell side, ran back up, and then came back to it here, balled away, came back. So now just playing around, so it's just ranging here. So if it's pulling inside the daily opening gap, if it keeps showing as draw liquidity, then it means that price is going to be going sideways. With euro dollar, because that's all we're going to be trading. This here is a 4-hour consequent encouragement of this wick. So we look on the daily, we fell lower. Potentially going to just get inside this BISI here. It's ran to the 25% level. Came back up to that 4-hour consequent encouragement. If it wants to reach a bit higher, then there's this inefficiency here. I don't think we're going to get up to this inefficiency up here because price has already been, this is a whole area here has been balanced. So from this area here, even this here, with this wick, comes inside of that, we may not even get up to there because this has already been balanced, this whole area. So if it wants to run lower, then it just run to this imbalance here. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm looking at. There's news at 8:30, so just gonna have to be a little bit careful with the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. silver bullet. But yeah, let me just quickly as well get my account up so I can actually take a trade if there is a trade. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. The euro dollar, yeah. Sweet, right, got that up. So yeah, let's just see. Price in a minute's in this inefficiency here. I want to see if it runs a bit higher, takes out this buy side here, runs back into this consequent encouragement. But yeah, let me know if you guys can definitely hear me as well. And if you missed the start of it, I'll go back over it again, because I know we just had 2 more viewers added. So yeah. I'm going to post the Discord as well in the chat if you guys want to join the free Discord. So you guys know when I'm going live again. But yeah, we're just going to try this 7 AM to 8 AM silver bullet. So let's just see how it gets going. I know probably some of you guys are from America maybe, so it's going to be quite early for this. Take a look at dollar. Dollar's bouncing off this daily opening gap, so potentially we'll start reaching a bit higher. Sweet, bro. Thank you for that. Hope you're doing well, bro, as well. Hope you're having a good week. Hope you're having a good week. So yeah, with that bouncing off this daily opening gap here, as I said before, and we take a look at euro. We take a look at the 4 hour or even the daily. But the 4 hour is bouncing off this consequent encouragement here, of this wick. And price has been chopping around here. So this is a balanced price area. This is a balanced price range. So there's not really any need for price to want to go back up to here, because it's already been balanced. So if it wants to pull lower, then this is an imbalance here. So price would end up taking lower. That's what my view is on the market at the minute. So I'll just be looking for shorts. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But yeah, just going to see if there is a setup for the silver bullet. I want to see potentially if it wants to run up higher, taken out of this buy side here, into the consequent encouragement before dropping lower. Or if it pulls lower, then it reacts nicely around this higher, this BISI, then I'll be taking it lower. But let's just see. Don't want to rush into anything. But yeah. Yeah, my week's been good, man. Week's been good. Obviously, bank holiday Monday, so started off quite slow. But let's see if it picks up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There is news 8:30 AM, so just have to be careful with that as well. But yeah, this is just a funded challenge account. Just going to try and pass it just using a silver bullet. So let me just get the rules up as well quickly. One second. Just copying that. Paste it over. Boom. So people can see. And again, yeah, just don't take any trades that I say with your own money as well. So yeah. How's your week going though? Is your week going all right? All right. So dollar's bouncing off this daily opening gap. We can always just get the midpoint of this. So how it respects it there. How it plays around the midpoint. Even get the quarter levels as well. You can see it's playing around there as well. Right. But yeah, this is just going to be 7 AM to 8 AM. Just going to see how this session goes. But hopefully I'll do another 10 AM to 11 AM. But just because I live with someone else, they're going to be back, so it's just going to be a little bit noisy. So this time I have a free house basically, so there is no noise or anything. Looking like it's dropping lower here. Next draw liquidity, sell side, and then just back into this BISI here. But yeah, nothing catches my eye just yet. Oh, you live in the Oz? Nice, man. It's 8 hours, or it depends whereabouts you are in Australia, but it's around about 8 hours ahead of UK. But yeah, and yeah, it's summer holidays, isn't it? I've got some family who live in Australia. Did you get a lot of homework then, I'm guessing, to do? Let's keep on there as well. Yeah, don't want to force anything just yet. There is news at 8:30 AM, so price could potentially just be waiting for that, which would just be a shame. But maybe we can get a quick scalp or something like that. I'm going to be watching price for now. What pair do you trade, bro? Samuel Rodney? Or are you just studying in a minute? Final year of high school. Damn. When does the year finish then? When does the high school year finish? It might just be opposite to the UK. Maybe does it finish? I don't know. August? Or July. I think it's like July is when UK schools finish, or usually finish. Yeah, usually I'll do the 10 AM to 11 AM stream. But just today, I just don't think I'll be able to make that. Nothing that sticks my eye yet. There's liquidity up here. So I want to see potentially price runs above, takes out this liquidity. But I would say I'm more bearish at the minute overall on the higher time frame. So drag this down there. Take a look at dollar. Dollar's still just trading around that daily opening gap. Look how on the 5 minute, look how it's respecting. The bodies aren't closing above it. So shows that it just doesn't want to get back up there in a minute. Potentially you would have wanted to just trade lower, aim for this low, potentially. Or just wants to just return back into the daily opening gap. You finish around December 3rd and starts back up January 5th, 30th. So still you just got about 2 weeks left, yeah. Is that when your last high school year starts then? Or is that when uni starts? So still just playing at the consequent encouragement here. How's your weeks going though, guys? Any trades? I know it's just been quite a slow week. Yeah, it's been quite a slow week because Monday, if you guys do follow ICT, Monday was a bank holiday, and then the bank holiday, the next day after bank holiday, the morning session, you're not really supposed to trade. So, just been slow. And again, yeah, this is not financial advice. I've just been, just want to see what the results work out. Nice, man, nice. Yeah, you should always, always do like paper trading for like 6 or 7 months. Have you been following ICT? Because yeah, if I'd say definitely just focus down on ICT, watch all the 2022, 2023 content, and then if you're lucky, hopefully the Twitter Spaces are still up on his Twitter because they're key. A lot of valuable information there. So yeah, the silver bullet. I have to be one-sided in the market. I have to see the draw liquidity for me to get in for fair value gap. So it's just not a random fair value gap. I just have to. I want to see that where there's just a one-sided draw on liquidity, and then once I know that, then I'll get into the fair value gap, and it has to be between them certain times. So it's just not a random fair value gap. There's all, but you want to know where the draw liquidity is. Yeah, nice. You don't have to. Yeah, if you started learning with ICT and you didn't learn anything else, that's good because you'd have to learn all the. You have to unlearn all the other like rubbish that you've previously learned with other people. So yeah, you're lucky, bro. But yeah, just stick with ICT, and if you put the work into it, and just not give up, then you'll be all Gucci. Okay, I'm looking here. Price just ran this little high. Take a look at this wick. Let's see price respects the consequent encouragement of this. Take a look at the dollar. Dollar's still trading at the daily opening gap, so nothing really for me. So daily opening gap, weekly opening gaps. If price tends to just keep going back to it, then it's just going to be ranging. And I mean, you can trade back into it. So like, if you wanted to trade this, you can trade it back into the daily opening gap. But if once it's trading around it, there's no trade. So here again, you can trade it back into the draw liquidity, which is daily opening gap. But yeah. I see the liquidity above these highs. Here, here, and here. And this is a 4-hour consequent encouragement. Above these highs as well, there's a little bit of inefficiency here. That price may tend to want to run back into, but I'm not looking. I'm not looking to buy. I'm only looking to short. So that's one of my rules: is don't go against the higher time frame bias. Just going to remove this to keep the charts neat, but yeah, just keep an eye on this consequent encouragement here. There is news, unfortunately, at 8:30, so the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. May just be sideways and just waiting for the news set up. I'll drag it over for you here. So yeah, core retail sales and retail sales. So That's at 1:30, which is 8:30 a.m. New York time. So dollar breaking lower. Look at the way it broke. Nearly came to the consequent encouragement there. Break lower. If it does break lower, then it's going to aim for these lows here, which should then push EU higher, and aim for this buy side here. If this, I want this to become an inversion fair value gap. So here the CIBI, it's played around. So I'm gonna grab a drink really. Yeah, so it's bounced off this CIBI. I want it to break above, act as support for it to go higher, take out this buy side here. But yeah, I'm only bearish on the high time frame, so that's why I'm not going to get in for a long. But let's see how it plays out. So there's a little fair value gap here. It's tapped into that, pulled away. Another little fair value gap here, which is still playing in. And I do like the fact that it hasn't closed below it. That little one there, that's literally, let's see the close of that. So it's 785 is the close. And the high of that candle is 785. So it literally closes at the high of that candle. And the exact same thing again. Asia highs buy side. That would be Asia high. Roughly, that is London high. That's that Asia high there. So dollar is bouncing back up again. So there's not much you can do apart from if it just starts leaving it. Euro, respecting this, look at the consequent encouragement. So let me actually draw that properly on. Respects the consequent encouragement, take out buy side here. Let's just take a look at dollar. Do like this here. Yo, I said, how you doing, man? Yeah, bro, early today, I don't think I'll be able to make the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. unfortunately. We making a meal, yeah, bro, let's go. So here, this is a balanced price range here now. So it's been going up and down. Once it leaves it, potentially there's no real reason for it to come back up here. So potentially it wants to run now and lower. But the only thing that is on my mind is just playing on the daily opening gap here. So I want to see potentially if it retests. Is it going to just get back into this volume imbalance here? Or just going to keep running? let's just see. I just want to see here. Stops would be just above there. Target these lows. We'd have to just be careful this daily SIBI as well. Daily BISI, sorry. But yeah, the only thing that's on my mind is just that dollar playing around the opening gap. I like the fact that also on the 5 minute hasn't closed below it as well. So let me just see. Just getting the my risk amount. Be sell side, consequent encouragement. If it makes another fair value gap, then we're going to act this out as a breakaway gap. So the stops just above there, target there. A little bit aggressive, but yeah, just going to act this out as a breakaway gap, see if it wants to tap back in, just run these lows down here. Haven't got into anything just yet, only because it's just the high of this BISI. I'd prefer the fair value gap to be lower than that. Let's take a look at dollar. Dollar's running. Just want to see if it makes a fair value gap, which lines up nicely with the high of this BISI here. Because it could just bounce from this daily BISI. So that's the only thing I'm looking at. That's the only thing holding me back, really. Just going to be patient here. Because price could just bounce off this bit daily high here, so. A breakaway gap. Yeah, I'll explain after it, bro. I'll explain after. So we're looking here. Low, high, lower, low, high, high. So this is bullish breaker as well. So I want to see this act as support. Let's make that like purple, right? Green. I haven't taken anything on the funded account just yet. On the challenge, sorry. Again, let me just grab this there. Like I don't want you guys to take it with raw money. This is me just doing the silver bullet only. Yeah, breakaway gap basically is where it's a fair value gap, and if it breaks down really fast and the price doesn't get back up to it, then it acts as a breakaway gap, and it means that it's just going to fall even further. So if price doesn't manage to get up to there, then it needs to keep going lower. So we literally started the funded account not last week, the week before, and price has literally been going sideways. So we haven't actually taken a trade on it just yet. The challenge account is. But yeah, I was literally just doing the silver bit only 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is the first time that I'm doing the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. just because I don't think I'll be able to do the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. But yeah, this is the 5th episode, so the 5th day. But yeah, still just digging into this Sibby here at the minute. Again, the only thing that just doesn't tick with me is just this daily BIST high. That's the only thing. I like it to just like pull lower, respect nicely, and then I wouldn't mind getting in short. But all this price range here, this price area, this has been balanced here. So this is balanced going up and down, ranging. Once it leaves it, then it wants to go somewhere which is in balance, because there's no point of the price for wanting to run back up to here because it's already been balanced. So now it's just run up here. There's an imbalance. Price one step back up to balance it out. There. Five-minute fair value up there, just beware of that. Take a look at the dollar. Still trading on that bullish breaker. Let me just name it. But yeah, there's multiple silver bullets during the day. There is the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Or 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then I think, is it 2 to 3 p.m. or is it 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.? So it's running back up to that original entry here. See dollar. Nice tap off the high of the daily opening gap. Let's see how it reacts here. Also inside that volume imbalance as well. Could say high, low, high, high. This is a bearish breaker potentially. Don't look too nice. But yeah, that could be a breaker. Not the nicest breaker, only because there's a high there, low, high, high, lower, low, so that could be a breaker. But if we're just calling this as one price leg, then that would be a breaker. Does it get to the midpoint? If we call all these three candles here, then it does. But we just match it just to one candle, then it doesn't there. But all three of these candles are bearish breaker. Liquidity above here as well. The only reason that I'm not in is just because of the daily busy high there. Just don't like the fact that it's just there. It could just bounce from there. That's the only reason. Trying to look to see if there's like a fair value gap. Nice, I could show you. So like this, fair value up here. I want to see something like that, and then I want to get lower down there. Order block here as well. Oh. Bearish order block. Targeting for this sell side down here. Dollars bounced off that volume imbalance perfectly, and the bullish order block, and the higher the daily opening gap. That's what I like to see. Here we go here, fair value gap potentially. So with the silver bullet, it has to have a range of 15 pips. So I'd say sell side down here. That is a range of 15 pips. Doesn't mean that your target has to be 15 pips. Just means the run on the actual run has to be 15 pips. So let's do something like that. 18 seconds, 2.2. Yeah, 2.4. Not sure I sold it or not. I don't get stopped off. This is the first time, by the way, on the trading on this software, by the way. So I don't know how to get the stop loss up. What's going on? Okay, stop loss. Yo, Shay, how you doing, man? Hey, bro, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Right, so there's a little bit of a feather gap here, and that order block as well, so just keep an eye on that. Just going to remove the midpoint there. So there was a trade here, but like I said, I just didn't like the fact that there's the daily BISI here. But the fact that we're trading below it now is a little bit better. With dollar tapped on the bullish breaker and that volume imbalance, then it could run for this buy side above here. But again, there is news at 8:30, so just got to be careful around that. So just remove all this so I can just see what's happening. And this is definitely not financial advice, guys, as well. I'll look at Aussie dollar after, bro. Just looking at euro at the minute. Euro and dollar. Yeah, usually I do the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. silver bullet, but this time I just didn't have time. So I'm just going to try out the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. silver bullet and see what's up. But yeah, I hope all you guys are well and having a great trading week. It's definitely been slow. Monday, bank holiday, Tuesday. If you follow ICT, you're not really supposed to trade the morning session for Tuesday. So Wednesday is like sort of the first trading day for me. But yeah, just trying out the silver bullet. So just going to do silver bullet only. And just want to see the results really. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. Only silver bullet once a day or whenever the setup occurs. And just see if I could pass a funded challenge. So you guys don't have to do anything. I'm the one risking the funded challenge. So yeah. Take a look at dollar. I think once dollar runs above these highs, potentially just be careful that if it wants to pull back lower, so you want to take some off if it does end up running these highs. A lot of liquidity down here, so just got to be careful. Order block here. See how it plays around this order block. But yeah, I'll drop my Discord again. If you guys, I'll let you guys know when I'm going live as well. So yeah, if you guys want to follow the journey, it's there. And also you can post like analysis and stuff like that, chat to other people. So it's quite cool. It's a good community. I'm trying to build a nice community. It's a good community. So taking a little bit sell side here, sell side. I want to just hopefully see it run lower to this sell side here, but there is a lot of sell side down here, so just got to be careful. Also don't know how to take partials on this account because it's on the computer, so we are at 1% up, but I don't know how to. I should have just practiced really on a 0.01 lot of how to take partials. But yeah, we are 1% up right now. Yeah, I've got it on the other account. Gonna try and take. I was gonna say I tried to take partials here, but wasn't. I'm not sure exactly. I didn't want to end that cancel the whole trade, so doesn't matter too much. Can we use ICT 2022 model on 5-minute highs and lows? Yeah, you can use the 2022 model on any time frame. On any time frame. So yeah, that's the thing with ICT, you can do it on any time frame. So I want to see how it respects, if it runs up to this order block, I want to see how it reacts to this here. Because it's already taken sell side here, it may want to come back up higher now. So I just got to be careful. Is that a little inefficiency here? No. But yeah, I'll be ending the stream probably like 10 minutes after 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So, but yeah, it's tapped into the order block now. I don't really want to see price close above this mean threshold. So let me just get it up for you guys. It's here. So the white line, I don't really want to see price close above that white line. If I do, then I'll probably cancel cut the trade short, only because there is news at 8:30. But yeah, I need to figure out, I should know, but I need to figure out how to take partials on the software I'm using. Yeah, bro, I'll tell you how to use the 1 hour. It might be just another stream though, or just follow Discord and give me a text. So give me a text and I'll let you know. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If it's gonna mail, there's news at 8:30, so it might just be waiting for that. Unfortunately, that's the only thing doing the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. silver bullet. Yeah, there's multiple silver bullets. There's multiple silver bullets. Sometimes I use the wicks, depending on how big the wick is, or you can just use the body. So like this here, that's just like a stubby wick, so I'll just use the body of that. But if it's like a longer wick, then just use the wick for it. But yeah, if the price closes above this white line, then I'll just cut the trade. I should have just took a little bit of partials here, and because it's 8:30 news coming up, so. But my high time frame is still still bearish. And it's closed. Let me see if I can close it. But I've closed the trade there. It was literally break even. So, but I would have taken. I was 1% up there, and just because of the news 8:30, I potentially would have just taken partials there. But I still see price going lower. But I just don't want to just see the news react to just fly and take me out. Do you trade Forex? Yeah, this is Forex, bro. This is Euro USD. So yeah, my target is still down here, and then next target down here, and then the next target would be the here, and the draw liquidity. On the daily is going to be this consequent encouragement. So that's how I got my bias for being short. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. It was definitely a short one, but yeah. No, bro, trust me. Listen to the Twitter spaces. He drops a lot of gems in it, and it's 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. as well. Not many people know. No, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Let's take a look at this wick here, see if price respects this consequent encouragement, this wick. Let's see how it respects this wick, if it doesn't or not. No, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. This is an hour. Take it, bro. Take it, Shay. So let's see how price starts respecting this here. If it respects that, starts trading up higher, then I'll be confident for it to run this highs. But price could be just playing around here and just waiting for that news. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. But yeah, follow either Twitter or Discord, and I'll update you guys. Nice, bro, nice. So dollar's trading back up into this bearish breaker. So the way price closed above this consequent encouragement, or the mean threshold, sorry, of the order block, that made me want to run, like, cut short. So that at break even, and price ran, it would have stopped me out here because I saw that price closed above the mean threshold. So something to keep an eye on with that. But if you've got entry there, that's a nice entry. We've stopped above there. Then it would have been still enough. I would have just took, if I was short up here, happened quite quick. Shorts there, stops just above. And then target would just be these lows here. That's a nice 3 to 1. and that you could have been done for the day there, or you can just take partials anyway, and then you still just move stops break even, and you'll still be running now. Yeah, I only trade FX. I did was trading futures just on paper trading. Order block here. But yeah, I'm going to end the stream soon, guys. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the stream. It's a good one. We took finally our first trade, even though I definitely need to figure out how to take partials and put my stop a lot quicker. Because for some reason it doesn't come up with, I could just move the stop light on the screen. I have to actually type it in, annoyingly. But yeah, we're still at break even. Let's see if it bounces off this. Starts trading higher, that buy side still is looking nice. But there is news at 8:30, so just be careful. With dollar as well, I'm looking on the higher time frame, so I'm looking at the 4 hour. Let me just do this here. So 4 hour price traded up and down, up and down, up and down. So this whole area here, this whole range is balanced. It's a balanced price range. And once price leaves it, there's not really any point. There's not really any need for price to return to a balanced price range. It's going to run to a imbalanced price range, and this area here is imbalanced here. So that's what I'm thinking. Price is going to go lower, order block here, and sell side down here. So that's why I was looking for shorts. Again, I could be wrong, but we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the stream. Feel free to follow that Discord. I sent it in the chat, and yeah, we'll be live again soon. And hopefully 10 AM to 11 AM is better. I do enjoy the 10 AM to 11 AM, but I wouldn't be able to make this one. So, but yeah, feel free to follow Discord. Hope you guys enjoy the stream. Leave a like so I can know you guys if you enjoyed it. And yeah, feel free to give me any feedback as well. Text me or anything like that. And you got any questions, DM me on Discord or follow the Twitter. I'll post my Twitter in there as well. 1 second. And then I'd update on Twitter as well if I'm going live or anything like that. So here. But yeah, price just ran into this bearish order block as well. Dollar bounced off that bullish order block, runs for the highs there. But it's lucky for us because I got such a entry here quite low. My stops are just above here. Entry there because I saw that price close above the mean threshold here. It may have wanted to end up running this buy side, this BISI here, or SIBI, sorry, and into this order block again. So I would have got taken out and I would have been minus 1% loss. So that's just those things that you look for. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the stream. And I'll be streaming hopefully tomorrow as well. I'll give you an update on the Discord. Alright, good. Have a great rest of the trading day. Be safe, and let's see if the dollar wants to run these lows. Cool. Take care, guys.